Hello, I'm Zach Jarrett, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble your outdoor hand washing station. Before you begin, take a look at the parts you've received and make sure everything is there. It helps to have a long table to work on, and it also helps to have a medium-sized crescent wrench, and if you have one, a 7/16 inch socket wrench. Let's get started. Your OutdoorHandWashingStation.com order includes the following parts: one tub, one manifold, four legs, one instruction sheet, one supply side hose adapter, one drain side hose adapter, one screened hose washer, one flat hose washer, 16 bonded washers, 8 flat washers, 4 nuts, and 20 1/4-inch bolts. To get started, it helps to assemble all 16 of your bonded washer and bolt combos. They're a little tough to push in, but slide them in like so, and you'll be all set. Remember, the steel side of the bonded washer should go to the head of the bolt. Place your outdoor hand washing station tub on the table so that both ends of the tub overhang. This makes it much easier to install the legs. Each leg is installed with 4 bolts and bonding washers. When you're installing your 4 bolts and washers, don't tighten any of them until all 4 are installed. It helps to do the top 2 first, and then the bottom 2 after that. Continue installing legs until all 4 have been installed. Tighten the leg bolts by hand until they're as tight as you can get them with your fingers. Then tighten them in all the way using your socket wrench, or crescent wrench if that's what you have. There's no need to tighten these down too tight. Once the bonded washer has flattened against the plastic, that's tight enough. Go around all 4 corners and tighten all the bolts in this same way. Once the legs are attached, place the station on the ground to install the manifold. The manifold only attaches one way. You'll see which end goes where. Place the manifold on the tub. Each manifold mounting position is mounted with one bolt, a washer on top, a washer on bottom, followed by the nut. Install all 4 mounting positions finger tight before tightening any of them. Once all 4 bolts have been installed, go ahead and tighten them up from below. They should be nice and snug. Install the supply side hose adapter. If you have Teflon tape or pipe dope, it's a good idea to use some here, but it's not entirely necessary. The drain adapter has 2 rubber washers. Remove the ring nut and the bottom washer and install the hose adapter through the drain hole in your station. Take the rubber washer and place it over the drain adapter, and then screw the ring nut on. Tighten that ring nut from below with a crescent wrench. When installing the supply side hose, use the filtered washer to protect the manifold. When installing the drain hose, use a fresh flat washer to guarantee a good seal. Congratulations! You've finished assembling your outdoor hand washing station. Now let's wash our hands.